Elon Musk, dream big, work hard. Elon Musk was born in 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. As a child, he was very curious. He loved reading books, especially about science and space. He would spend hours reading, trying to learn everything he could. One day, he found a book about rockets. From that moment, he had a dream to go to space one day. He wanted to create rockets and make the world better with new ideas. At school, Elon was often alone. He didn't have many friends. Other kids would tease him and he felt different. But instead of feeling sad, Elon focused on his dream. He knew that if he worked hard, he could make his dreams come true. He loved learning about new things and wanted to change the world. Even though life was hard for him, he kept going. Elon's love for technology grew stronger as he got older. He moved to Canada to study at Queen's University and later went to the United States to attend the University of Pennsylvania. He wanted to learn everything about business and technology. During college, he worked on different projects. He didn't just study, he built things too. Elon believed that the future would be different, and he wanted to be part of that change. Elon's first big idea came when he was still in college. He wanted to create something that would change the world. He and his brother started a company called Zip2. The company helped newspapers put their content online. It wasn't easy, but Elon worked day and night. Soon the company became successful, and they sold it for millions of dollars. With this money, Elon was able to start his next big project, X.com, which later became PayPal. This time, he wanted to make it easier for people to send money online. Even though there were many challenges, Elon didn't give up. He believed that with hard work, anything was possible. In 2002, Elon sold PayPal to eBay for $1.5 billion. He didn't spend the money on fancy cars or big houses. Instead, he used it to start SpaceX, a company that would build rockets. People thought he was crazy. Rockets were expensive, and most companies were failing at it. But Elon didn't listen to the doubts. He had a dream to send people to Mars. He wanted to make life possible on other planets. SpaceX faced many failures in the beginning, but Elon kept pushing forward. After many tries, the company succeeded in launching rockets that were reusable. This was a big step in making space travel cheaper and more possible for everyone. Elon's next big challenge was creating Tesla, a company that would change the way people think about cars. He wanted to build electric cars that were not only good for the environment, but also fast and cool. At the time, many people didn't believe electric cars could be successful. But Elon didn't care about what others thought. He worked hard and made sure that Tesla's cars were high quality and affordable. He faced many challenges along the way, but Tesla became successful. Today, Tesla is one of the most famous electric car companies in the world. But Elon didn't stop there. He has many other ideas to change the world. One of his dreams is to build a high-speed train called the Hyperloop. The Hyperloop would allow people to travel from one city to another in just a few minutes. Elon also wants to make the world less dependent on fossil fuels and create sustainable energy sources. He started Solar City, a company that helps people use solar energy. These ideas show that Elon is always thinking about the future and how he can make the world a better place. Elon's life has not always been easy, though. He has faced many challenges and even failures. He has lost money and made mistakes. But what sets him apart is his ability to keep going. He never gives up, no matter what happens. For example, when his first rockets failed, he didn't stop. He learned from his mistakes and tried again. Elon believes that failure is a part of success. He says, if something is important enough, you should try even if the probable outcome is failure. This is one of the reasons he has achieved so much. Elon's story teaches us a valuable lesson. If you have a big dream, never give up. Life can be difficult, and things might not always go the way you want. But if you keep working hard, learn from your mistakes, and stay focused on your goals, you can achieve great things. Elon Musk is an example of how believing in yourself and your dreams can change the world. He reminds us that no matter where we come from or how big our dreams are, anything is possible if we keep working for it. Elon Musk has also shown the importance of teamwork. While he is often seen as the leader of his companies, he knows that success is not possible alone. He surrounds himself with talented people who share his vision. Elon believes that working with smart, passionate people can make dreams come true faster. For example, his companies like SpaceX and Tesla are full of engineers and designers who believe in his mission to make the world a better place. This teamwork has been one of the keys to his success. Another important lesson we can learn from Elon Musk is the power of thinking differently. While others follow the usual path, Elon is not afraid to think outside the box. He has a unique way of solving problems and seeing the world. For example, when he wanted to build rockets, he didn't just accept the way rockets were made before. Instead, he questioned everything and came up with new, better ideas. He didn't follow the rules, he made his own. This ability to think creatively has helped him achieve things that many thought were impossible. Elon Musk's story is not just about his business success, but also about his desire to make a difference in the world. He is not only focused on making money, but also on making life better for everyone. He has big dreams, but his dreams are not just for himself, they are for humanity. Whether it is creating electric cars to help the environment, sending humans to Mars to ensure the future of mankind, or building new energy solutions, Elon is driven by the idea of helping people and changing the world for the better. This is something we can all learn from. We can all have big dreams, but it's important to remember that dreams alone are not enough. We need to work hard, stay focused, and be ready to face challenges. We also need to think about how we can make a positive impact on others and the world around us. Elon Musk shows us that with passion, creativity, and perseverance, we can change the world. And if we have the courage to follow our dreams, no matter how big they are, we can achieve something great. Elon Musk's journey is far from over. He continues to work on new projects, always thinking about what comes next. His vision for the future is huge. He wants to help humanity become a multiplanetary species. He believes that by making life on Mars possible, we can protect our future. SpaceX is still working towards sending humans to Mars, and it is one of Elon's biggest goals. He knows it will take time, but he is determined. Every day, he works toward this dream, no matter the challenges or setbacks. Elon Musk's story shows us that no dream is too big. Even when things seem impossible, we should keep trying. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. We may not always succeed at first, but if we keep working hard and stay focused, we will get closer to our goals. Elon's determination, creativity, and passion are an inspiration to all of us. His life teaches us that we can make a difference, no matter who we are or where we come from. Elon Musk's life also teaches us about the importance of resilience. He has faced many setbacks, failures, and obstacles on his path to success. Yet, he never gave up. For example, when Elon started SpaceX, his rockets failed multiple times. The first few launches were a disaster. In fact, his company was on the verge of bankruptcy. Most people would have given up, but not Elon. He learned from his mistakes and continued to improve. After his third failure, SpaceX succeeded with a successful launch, and the company went on to change the future of space travel. Elon's ability to keep going, even when everything seemed to be falling apart, is one of the reasons he is so successful today. Elon Musk has shown the world that failure is not the end. Instead, it is an opportunity to learn and grow. When things go wrong, we can either give up or we can use those experiences to do better next time. Musk's story teaches us that setbacks are not the end of the road. They are just another step towards success. It is normal to feel discouraged when things don't go as planned, but it is important to remember that every failure is a lesson. If we continue to try and adapt, we can eventually reach our goals. Elon Musk is a true example of resilience, and he shows us that with determination, we can overcome anything. Elon Musk is a name many people know today. He is the man behind SpaceX and Tesla, but Elon didn't always have an easy life. When he was young, he had many problems. He was born in South Africa, and his family wasn't rich. Elon loved computers and technology, but he didn't always fit in with other kids. He was often bullied at school, but he didn't let that stop him. He was very determined to follow his dreams. Elon Musk always had big dreams. As a child, he read many books about space and the future. He wanted to make the world a better place. His biggest dream was to help people travel to space. But when he started his companies, many people told him he couldn't do it. They said it was impossible to make electric cars or build a rocket that could go to space. But Elon didn't listen to them. He believed in his dreams and worked very hard. At first, things were not easy for Elon. His first company, Zip2, didn't make much money. He had to work many hours, often without rest. After that, he started X.com, which later became PayPal. Even though it was successful, Elon didn't stop dreaming bigger. He wanted to build rockets. He wanted to make electric cars. Many people thought he was crazy, but Elon didn't care. He kept working. He kept trying. His first rocket launches with SpaceX didn't work. Many people thought he would fail, but Elon didn't give up. He knew that failure was part of the journey. In the end, SpaceX became very successful. Today, SpaceX is sending rockets to space and has big plans for the future. Elon has also made Tesla one of the top car companies in the world. Electric cars are now common, and many people believe that Elon helped change the future of transportation. Elon Musk's story teaches us something important. It shows us that if we believe in our dreams, we can achieve great things. Even when people say it is impossible, we should never give up. Success takes time and hard work. Sometimes we fail, but we must keep going. Elon Musk teaches us to be brave, to work hard, and to follow our dreams no matter what others say. At the end of his journey, Elon Musk's story is a powerful lesson for all of us. It teaches us that big dreams can come true if we are willing to put in the work, no matter how difficult it may be. Elon faced many struggles, but he never gave up. He didn't let failure stop him, and he didn't listen to the people who said it was impossible. Instead, he focused on his dreams and kept moving forward. This is the most important lesson we can learn from Elon Musk's life. Never give up on what you believe in. If you have a dream, hold on to it tightly. Yes, it may be hard. Yes, people may doubt you. But just like Elon, you can turn your dreams into reality. The key is to keep going, no matter how tough things get. Every failure is a chance to learn and grow. So, what can we take away from Elon's life? Don't let fear or doubt stop you. Take risks, work hard, and be patient. Believe in yourself, because if you do, there is no limit to what you can achieve. Just like Elon Musk reached for the stars, you can reach for your dreams too. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Keep dreaming, keep believing, and never stop pushing yourself forward. Your big dreams are waiting, and with the right mindset, you can make them come true.